Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 2: Difference between Software Engineering and Programming. Introduction. Understanding the difference between software engineering and programming is crucial for anyone in the field of computer science. While these terms are often used interchangeably, they represent distinct concepts and practices. This lecture aims to delineate these differences and highlight the unique aspects of each. 1. Definitions. Programming. Programming is the process of writing code to create software programs. It involves translating algorithms and problem solutions into a language that computers can understand and execute. Focus: writing code, debugging, and maintaining software. Key skills: knowledge of programming languages, e.g., Python, Java, C++, problem solving, and logical thinking. Software engineering. Software engineering is a systematic, disciplined, and quantifiable approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of software. It encompasses a range of methodologies and processes to ensure software quality, reliability, and maintainability. Focus: designing, developing, testing, and managing entire software systems. Key skills: software development lifecycle, SDLC, project management, requirements analysis, and system design. 2. Scope and goals. Programming. Scope: primarily concerned with the implementation phase of software development. Programmers focus on writing code to implement specific functionalities. Goals: efficiently translate algorithms into functioning code, solve immediate problems, and ensure the code works correctly. Software engineering. Scope encompasses the entire software development lifecycle, from initial requirements gathering to maintenance and end-of-life of the software product. Goals: deliver high-quality software systems that meet user needs, are maintainable, scalable, and reliable over time. Balance various constraints like time, cost, and quality. 3. Methodologies and processes. Programming. Methodologies: ad hoc, iterative, or agile coding practices. Focuses on code efficiency and solving specific problems. Processes: writing code, testing code, debugging, and simple version control. Software engineering. Methodologies includes a variety of structured methodologies such as Waterfall, Agile, Scrum, DevOps, and Extreme Programming, XP. Processes involves comprehensive processes including requirements analysis, system design, architecture, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Emphasizes documentation, formal reviews, and quality assurance. 4. Tools and techniques. Programming. Tools: integrated development environments, IDEs, like Visual Studio, PyCharm, Eclipse, debugging tools, version control systems like Git. Techniques: code refactoring, pair programming, unit testing, and continuous integration. Software engineering. Tools: project management tools, e.g., Jira, Trello, version control systems, continuous integration/continuous deployment, CI/CD, pipelines, automated testing tools, design and modeling tools, e.g., UML diagrams, and performance monitoring tools. Techniques: requirement gathering, system modeling, software architecture design, risk management, user acceptance testing, UAT, and deployment strategies.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.